Hi, welcome back. This is the Honest Reviewer, and today we're going to review this fuel tank, which I bought for a Tory Bilt Bronco tiller. It's very well made, strong plastic, seems to have a solid frame. The bottoms, where the bolts go, match up perfectly to the machine. This is the spout for the fuel line, and it's exactly like the old one. The cap is exactly like the one I'd taken off. Fits in perfectly. The inside is well supported, reinforced. You can just see it through the pic when you look down in the hole. It came fairly quickly in the mail. It is easy to install, just 4 bolts, as I'm going to show you here in just a minute on my review, how it hooks up, and we'll go from there. Let's slide over to the machine here. Okay, we're here at the machine. This is the Tory Bilt Super Bronco. This is where the gas tank goes. This is the fuel line, hooks right up onto the bottom. Slide that on there. Crimps right on the way the old one did. And it sits just over these ports here. Just like that. You install the 4 bolts around it, and that's all there is to it. Super easy install. Overall, a very good product. I would rate this a 5. Thank you for listening to The Honest Reviewer.